there are other personalities also which you need to know. The first personality is Dietrich Brandis. Dietrich Brandis was the first Inspector General of Forest in India. Of course, under the British Raj, but he was the first Inspector General. George Yule. George Yule was one of the British administrator, very fond of hunting, and he killed as many as 400 tigers. Next is Gundadhur. Gundadhur is a man who was from Nethnar village, and he was the main person in the Bastar rebellion. You are going to read in detail about the Bastar rebellion in the chapter. Next is Surintiko Samin. Surintiko Samin was an inhabitant of Radulbitang village, and he spoke against the ownership of forest, who believed that forest belongs to everybody. It is a gift of God or gift of nature to mankind, and no government, no organization can in fact claim that it is their property. So, those were the views of Surintiko Samin, and these were the famous personalities you needed to know before I start with the chapter, which I am going to do in the next clipping.